When getting a home loan, you will need a down payment. So a common question that gets asked to me is, what types of down payments are acceptable? The types of down payment sources that you can do can vary from the most common option, which would be your money that you've been saving in your checking and savings account, to more complex ways to get creative for a down payment. Starting off with the checking and savings account option, keep in mind your bank account will be looked at for the last couple of months leading up to when you formally apply for your loan. Therefore, it's really important that any deposits going into your bank account, that you have a paper trail for them. We will have to look at what activity you have going on, and if there are any down payment sources that are not verified and we can't provide a paper trail, we have to actually ignore those. As far as additional options for down payment sources, can also include getting a gift from a family member or a relative, or getting a grant of some type can also be possible. However, there can be certain restrictions on those. So we do need to make sure that you qualify and that the loan type is acceptable for it. Another source of a down payment can be from a retirement loan or a 401k loan. 401k providers that are usually connected with your employer have their own specified rules on what you need to do and what you're allowed to do. They'll have potential options that are available to you based on a variety of different factors, but it is a very common source for a down payment these days. Another type of source for a down payment can be the cash value in a life insurance policy. Life insurance policies in some cases do have that option available to you, and we'll walk you through how to go about doing it. Another option for a down payment source that can be acceptable in some cases is taking a loan or refinancing a vehicle or some type of asset that you own, and then taking that equity and converting it into actual down payment funds. You do need to check, however, if that particular loan type that you're eligible for or qualified for the home loan allows that type of source for a down payment. Those are just a few examples of verifiable qualified sources for a down payment. Message me and I'd be glad to talk to you more.